An electric trike delivers the stability of 3 wheels with the assistance of a motor. Real confidence for riders who want extra balance without sacrificing range or speed. Whatever your riding style and budget, I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to Unbox Daily. We test the products that actually matter for your life. Honest reviews, real testing, zero fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. The ADDMOTOR ARISETAN M360 is the best overall pick, delivering a rugged, well-built frame paired with strong motor performance for riders who want a dependable everyday trike. The standout is the sturdy, well-engineered build combined with a powerful, reliable motor, which handles everyday commuting and recreational riding with real stability and confidence, a real advantage for riders who prioritize durability alongside performance. The comfortable, supportive seating suits longer rides without fatigue, and the ample cargo capacity handles groceries and errands easily. The reliable battery range covers substantial daily trips, and ADDMOTOR's growing reputation for capable electric trikes backs it. For anyone who wants a dependable, well-rounded electric trike for daily use, the ARISETAN M360 is the most well-rounded pick on this entire list. The ADDMOTOR ARISETAN M360 delivers dependable, well-built everyday performance, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Reliable trike, real confidence. The TINIOVER Trike is the 2-seater pick, delivering a truly unique side-by-side seating arrangement that lets you bring a passenger along for the ride. The standout is the 2-seat design, which sets it apart from every other trike on this list, built for solo riders, letting you share the experience with a partner, friend, or family member without needing a second vehicle. A real advantage for anyone who wants companionship on their rides. The folding mechanism makes storage and transport more manageable despite the wider 2-seat frame, and the electric assist helps power through the added weight of a second rider. The stable 3-wheel base handles the extra load confidently, and TINIOVER's focus on distinctive trike designs backs the concept. For anyone who wants to bring someone along for the ride, the TINIOVER Trike is the most distinctive pick on this entire list. The TINIOVER Trike delivers a truly unique 2-seater riding experience, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Bring someone along for the ride. The MOONCOOL Folding Aluminum 500 watts is the lightweight portability pick, delivering an aluminum frame that keeps overall weight down while still folding compactly for storage or transport. The standout is the aluminum construction paired with a folding design, which delivers a noticeably lighter trike than steel-framed alternatives, while still folding down for easy storage in a garage, closet, or car trunk. A real advantage for riders with limited storage space or who need to transport their trike regularly. The 500-watt motor provides capable everyday assistance for commuting and errands, and the compact, folded footprint saves real space. The comfortable ride quality suits daily use, and MOONCOOL's focus on lightweight, portable trikes backs the design. For anyone who needs a trike that folds small and stays light, the MOONCOOL is the most portable pick on this entire list. The MOONCOOL Folding Aluminum 500 watts delivers a lightweight, easy-to-store folding design, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Light, foldable, ready to store? The NARRAK Electric Tricycle 1,350 watts. Peak is the maximum power pick, delivering serious motor output for riders who want strong acceleration and hill climbing capability from their trike. The standout is the powerful 1,350 watt peak motor, which delivers noticeably stronger acceleration and hill climbing performance than typical trike motors, a real advantage for riders in hilly areas, or anyone who simply wants more power on tap for confident everyday riding. The sturdy frame handles the added torque reliably, and the comfortable seating supports longer rides. The reliable battery range covers substantial trips even with the more powerful motor draw, and NARRAK's focus on performance-oriented electric trikes backs it. For riders who want the most power available in an electric trike, the NARRAK 1,350 watt peak is the most powerful pick on this entire list. The NARRAK 1,350 watts. Peak delivers serious motor power for confident hill climbing and acceleration, and the price in the description reflects that performance. Check the link below and grab it today. Real power, every ride. Closing out the list with the ESKUTE Trike electric bike, the trusted brand value pick, delivering dependable electric trike performance from a brand with a strong reputation in the electric bike space. The standout is the combination of ESKUTE's established electric bike engineering and accessible trike pricing, which delivers reliable, consistent performance for everyday riding, backed by a brand that's built real trust in the broader e-bike community. A real advantage for anyone who wants brand confidence without premium trike pricing. The comfortable seating suits daily commuting and errands, and the reliable battery range covers typical daily distances. The sturdy build handles regular use well, and ESKUTE's crossover reputation from electric bikes adds real credibility to their trike lineup. For anyone who wants a trusted brand name at an accessible price, the ESKUTE e-Trike is the most value-forward pick on this entire list. The ESKUTE e-Trike delivers dependable performance from a well-trusted e-bike brand, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Trusted name, honest price. If this breakdown just helped you find the right electric trike, tap that subscribe button. It keeps us making honest reviews every week. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing, because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right electric trike, drop a like and subscribe to Unbox Daily for honest reviews every week. See you in the next one.